everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to find your Facebook user ID and username. So these two are two different terms. Now I'll just show you how to locate them. So let's locate username first. Now to do that, you need to go to your profile, click on the three dots under your profile. Now at the bottom you will see your profile link. So you will see your domain here, and then there is something like ID equals to. Everything after that is your username. Now to locate your user ID, you need to go to this hamburg menu and go to settings and privacy. After that, go to settings. You need to scroll down until you find apps and websites. Now here it's in your activity. Now you just need to click on apps and websites. And what you're gonna do is you'll have any other apps or websites access your Facebook profile. Now you're just gonna go and click on them. Let's say I have this Mobile Legends, and if you need to contact them and you need support from them, then they will ask you for your user ID. Now here at the bottom you will see they may need your user ID, and you have your user ID here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.